थोड़ा आगे
Tell me. Hello. I'm wearing a Monisha Jaising. You like it? Yeah, I'm wearing black after really long.
Shifa, you were one of the judges.
Yes.
How difficult or easy a task it is?
When it's just an ordinary beauty award, it would be very easy, but because it's the Vogue Beauty Awards, the onus lies on your shoulder to actually make the right choice. So it wasn't hard. I actually had quite a whale of a time going through all the beauty products because I'm quite a beauty product junkie. And I had fun and made the best people win.
So what is that one beauty secret that you want to give out to your viewers?
I don't know about it being a beauty secret, but it's definitely something that's handed down to me as an advice, as a piece of advice from my mother. That never ever use soap on your face, and you have to remove every bit of makeup before you go to sleep. So that's the one advice I think that would translate into a good beauty secret for anyone who wants to look fresh and clean and beautiful. अब क्या हुआ? भाई मुझे माफ कर दो, मुझे माफ कर दो। मैं इस पे कमेंट ही नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता नहीं है, तो आई रियली कांट कमेंट, आई रियली कांट।
Next question, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Shilpa, you're very gorgeous today.
थैंक यू। ऑडियंसेस को कि वो अंदर जाके पिक्चर देखे क्यों नहीं। नहीं, आई डोंट नो कौन ब्लेम कौन करता है। अगर पिक्चर अच्छी हो तो लोग एंजॉय करते हैं और लोग उस पिक्चर को जो ड्यू क्रेडिट देते हैं उसको हिट करार करके वो दे देते हैं। तो जिनको श्रेय मिलना चाहिए वो राइटफुली मिलता है, डायरेक्टर हो, एक्टर हो। हाँ, स्पॉट बॉयज़ को नहीं मिलता, जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स छोटे छोटे टेक्नीशियंस हैं उनको नहीं मिलता। लेकिन हम जब फिल्म पे काम करते हैं हम एक्नॉलेज करते हैं कि जिन जिन लोगों ने टीम में हिस्सा लिया है, इट्स अ टीम एफर्ट। तो you know, the credit goes to everyone.
Shifa, can we have a Vogue Beauty Award pout on the red carpet?
The Vogue what?
Beauty Award red carpet pout.
Pout.
Yeah.
I'm not the pouty person, yeah. You know.
Like one pose for the Vogue Beauty Award.
Okay. Because I'm into nails today. It'll be more like.
Thank you, Shifa.
One more question, please. You carry yourself so well on the runway and every event.
Thank you.
What do you think are the do's and don'ts of carrying yourself?
I just think that whatever you do or whatever you wear, you have to carry it off very confidently. And if there's the slightest tinge of discomfort, it's going to show. So whatever I'm wearing, I feel very happy. I think it's a huge compliment to be a woman, and I feel very proud to be a woman. I get to, doll myself up so much. So I think that just shows on the red carpet that I'm very happy. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Come.
We can see your nails.
Nails na. दिखाना. Outfit भले नहीं है. Nails आना चाहिए.
Left corner. Ma'am, left corner. Sudha ji, left corner. Ma'am, balcony. Sudha ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Shweta.
अगर तुम मुझे शॉर्ट की जीत के बारे में पूछते तो मैं उसका जवाब देती। अभी तो पीछे
On your right, please.
I think when there's a lot of very exciting things in a room, you feel like a kid in a candy store. So it was a lot of fun, and I took my time over it because it was that much fun.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Monisha Jason. If I'm a judge, can I be nominated? Then we should have put you on the nomination panel. I would have been very happy.
So, how much time did you take to dress up for the Vogue Beauty Awards?
Today, I usually take about an hour and a bit, and today I took 2.
So, how important is the Vogue Beauty Awards?
Well, this is my second year. The first year, I remember, I was really bummed because I had been nominated for in my first year. I think as a fresh face or something, and I wasn't in town. I was shooting London, Paris, New York at that time. So I was really upset. And then the last 2 years I've attended, and I think it's a fantastic award. And Vogue is one of the best fashion magazines, especially in our country. And when Vogue says something is good, then I think it has a stamp of approval, and everybody believes it. So I think it's absolutely fantastic. मुझे Vogue Beauty Awards हाँ मुझे मतलब अगर कोई भी कुछ मतलब गलत काम करे तो उनको नहीं करना चाहिए. अभी पिच टैम्परिंग के बारे में क्या बोल सकती हूँ. I guess it shouldn't be done, right? But I don't know much about cricket. I don't watch cricket. I think film एक team effort होती है, and it's truly that. If you're on a set, you realize that everybody goes to make a film. It's not just the producer or the director or the actors. But I would say that the people who decide, जो लोग decide करते हैं वो होते हैं directors और producers. So I think the power is with them. But I think the entire film is made by a team, and the kind of process that it is, anything can go wrong anywhere. So. एक्टर्स को वाहवाही भी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए पूरी, और उनको मतलब थू भी नहीं होनी चाहिए पूरी, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स रियली अनफेयर. बट आई बिलीव दैट इवन सारी प्रेज एक्टर्स को नहीं जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि एवरीबडी मेक्स दैट फिल्म, इंक्लूडिंग लाइक द एडिटर्स, स्पॉट बॉयज, पीपल हु फीड यू ऑन सेट, every single person, the VFX people, sound people, everybody makes a good film, not just the actors. अभी गुड्डू रंगीला मैंने ख़त्म की है, तो सुभाष कपूर की अगली फिल्म है, और जॉली LLB के बाद आई थिंक everybody is looking forward to his next film, so I'm very excited to be a part of that, and I'm starting another very exciting project in September. मुझे नहीं पता, आपको पता है? मुझे बता दो आप. नहीं, I don't know. I have no idea. I have not been in town. I've been shooting, so I don't know.
Finally, can we have a Vogue or Red Carpet?
That the Vogue Red, the pout. It's a perennial pout.
I told you I'd bring you back to the movie.
Thank you. Well, beauty, for me, it's more the inside than the outside. I think if you look gorgeous outside but you're not that good at heart, inside, I won't find that person that attractive. So for me, it's more the personality. Yes, appearance-wise, I think it's a combination of your whole personality rather than just your face or just your looks. It's a combination of your body and your looks and probably that innocence in your eyes.
Kriti, you won the Face Award for the Vogue Beauty Award.
Yes, yes.
So how does that feel? Is it your first award?
It's officially my first award, so that feels great. And I have been reading Vogue as a model, so it feels great to win an award by such a great fashion magazine. And yeah, that's my first award.
Was it like being
Sorry?
Was it like
Being in Vogue. Of course, it's a great feeling. You know, as a model, I've been reading Vogue since so long. Even in college, you know, it used to be like this one magazine you look for. It's great being featured in Vogue, and you know, it's great winning an award, because I think, yeah, it's you know, it's got something to it which is like a high standard. So I feel, yeah, when you're recognized by such a big brand, it feels great. I'm wearing Dior. It's a Dior outfit. It's Dior shoes. So yeah. Hello. क्रिकेट से संबंधित मत पूछो, क्योंकि मैं स्पोर्ट्स में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्टेड नहीं देखती सच में. आई एम नॉट रियली अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. यार मूवीज के बारे में पूछो, मैं बताती हूँ. हीरो है तो क्या. I'm really sorry, but I can't comment on that right now. I'm not officially allowed. But when the time is right, I'll for sure talk. I can't say anything on that. I'm so sorry.
Any fashion tip that you would like to give out? Any of your beauty secrets that you would want to share with everyone?
Well, fashion for me is actually more of comfort. I think you know, it's something which is at the end of it, it's you. I think you pick on certain things because it's your choice. You know, it's like your likes and your dislikes. So I think for me, it's more of my comfort. It's more that suits my body. I'm tall and thin, so you know there's certain things that suit my body more. Like you know, I love wearing maxis. I love wearing one-piece dresses. On daily basis, I wear more denims and probably just a ganji or a top. So yeah, fashion to me is what you're comfortable in, what you feel beautiful in, and yeah, that's about it.
Very technical. स्पेशल है Thank you. Bye.
पीपी इसका मुड़े लो Hi, thank you. I am wearing Dior. Thanks to Anita, we are managing to look okay today. I have just fallen on your mic. Anyway, doesn't matter. I don't think I'm in Vogue really. A long way to go till I can call myself being in Vogue, but I'm trying to be. Like I've told you guys before also, I'm trying to dress better and look better, and I hope it's showing really. I'm very proud. I'm very proud actually because being awarded by Vogue is no small feat really. I think you can only be on the cover or be in the magazine or be awarded by them when it really means something. So when I heard about it the first time, I was very excited. Abhi face se shuru kiya, now the rest of the body parts have to follow. खूबसूरती क्या होती है? आई डोंट नो, मैं बोरिंग आंसर नहीं देना चाहती कि अंदर की खूबसूरती होती है और वो सब होता है, बट एक ये चीज़ एग्जिस्ट करती है कि अंदर से जब आप रियली खुश होते हैं एंड अंदर से आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं ना, उस दिन आप बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. एंड आई एम श्योर जिस दिन लाइक आपको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि यार आज संडे है, आज सैटरडे में आज अच्छी क्यों लग रही हूँ, क्योंकि उस दिन आई थिंक आप खुश होते हैं. सो आई थिंक इनसाइड यू हैव टू बी हैप्पी टू लुक प्रिटी. आई थिंक सो. इस ये और वोग का क्या लेना देना है, मैं जाने दूँ. और वोग को आज सिर्फ वोग के क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं आपने, नॉट अलाउड. हाँ, ओह बेटर नॉट टेक, डोंट टेक ब्यूटी टिप्स फ्रॉम मी, विल बी द वर्स्ट. ओह हाय, कम फिनिश योर फोटोज. अरे उनको करने दो प्लीज. व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग? हाँ, ब्यूटी टिप्स दे रही थी मैं यार. ब्यूटी टिप्स के लिए आप मैगजीन ही पढ़ो तो ज़्यादा बेटर है. I do think though, drink lots of water and get your sleep really, and makeup and hair will do the rest. हाँ, वेल लास्ट टाइम भी हमने कहा था कि चोपड़ा वीकेंड है, एंड कोइंसिडेंटली इस बार फिर से हम लोग साथ में आ रहे हैं. हम लोग खुद बहुत हंस रहे थे ये सुन के कि क्या प्रोड्यूसर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारी फिल्म साथ डाल रहे हैं. बट लाइक वी सेड लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो यार, आई होप बोथ द फिल्म्स आर सक्सेसफुल. आई होप बोथ द फिल्म्स डू वेल. बाकी नेहा विल टेल यू द रेस्ट. काम. ओके, थैंक यू. हाँ, किसी को भी नहीं यार. फ्लॉप इसलिए होती है या तो पिक्चर बुरी होती है या ऑडियंसेस को पसंद नहीं आती, कुछ ना कुछ. सो एवरी फिल्म हैज़ इट्स ओन स्टोरी यार. मुझे नहीं पता कि फ्लॉप होती है. थैंक यू.
या आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा थैंक्स आप सबको है कि आप लोग भी सिर्फ स्टार्स की मूवीज़ नहीं पसंद करें. अगर हम लोग भी किसी फिल्म में होती है और वो फिल्म अच्छी होती है तो आप लोग उसको भी हिट करते हैं. सो आई थिंक वो सब श्रेय ऑडियंस को जाता है दैट दे आर नाउ दे हैव द एपेटाइट फॉर newer people, newer faces, and they're watching all kinds of films. Yeah, the scenario has changed. I think now stars are also doing well and new people are also doing well. Thank you. तुम अलग से आ जाओ. Oh, we both have to give photos together.
Thank you. I don't need to do this. Do I need to stand and answer any questions? Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing a beautiful outfit by a designer called Human, and the neck piece is by Outhouse. Well, at the Vogue Beauty Awards, I'm definitely looking forward to a fun night. Lots of beautiful women dressed in beautiful clothes, and of course the best brands and the most beautiful women taking the awards back home. Of yoga, lots of water, and try and stay as happy as you can. That's a lie because I don't do any of the above. Thank you. आप ये सवाल सबसे पूछ रहे हैं. आई डोंट थिंक किसी को ब्लेम करना चाहिए. पिछले 2 या 3 सालों में मैंने कई फिल्में देखी हैं जो फ्लॉप हैं पर फिर भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्में होती हैं. इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट दे डोंट डू वेल. और कई ऐसी फिल्में होती हैं जो अच्छी नहीं होती फिर भी हिट हो जाती हैं. सो यू डोंट नो. आई थिंक it's every film comes with its own destiny, and I mean sometimes it's bad marketing, sometimes it's just a bad film. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. There are a lot of actors. I mean, even in an actor's life, it's very important कि वो हिट फिल्में देखें, और अगर उनकी कोई फिल्म फ्लॉप हो जाती है तो obviously they have to bear the consequences. I've got a very exciting film coming out on the 19th of September. It's called 21 Topon Ki Salami, and I look forward to it. Thank you.
Oh boy, this whole podium. Thank you. What do you think? Take a wild guess. Komal Sood. Being yourself. Very simple. Beauty is being yourself. Just yourself. Very simple, elegant, and sophisticated, and not over the top. So I like keeping it very simple. You know, I don't like accessorizing too much, so just a little bit. Pardon? Wow. Am I in Vogue? Well, thank you. Good. Kind of unreal. It feels amazing. They've been nice enough to give me an award once before, so it's really sweet. And it feels like one big happy family. Fashionable, happy family. No, I was asked what I'm going to wear for my marriage. I don't know why. Why not in the future, I suppose. Don't know when, but maybe in the future. I've got happy ending on with Saif. I know it sounds really weird, but it's a really funny film and it's come out really well. So happy ending with Saif right now. Thanks. Oh, just lots of beautiful people, you know. Looking forward to that. Thanks so much.
Hi, yes, of course. Hi. Hello. Hi. Thank you. All thanks to the Vogue team. They are styling me. Yes. It's unique. That's the first. It took them so long to figure that out. But it's great. I think they're celebrating beauty, which is great, and I think it talks about a lot of aspects, and not just visually how you look. For me, it's inner beauty, how people are. Good people are beautiful for me. So let's see. It's a great night. It's a great initiative, and I'm excited to be here. It's stylish and cool being in Vogue, and all thanks to them, they're styling me today. And looking forward to seeing more stylish people, well-dressed people, and a fun evening. एक महिला की खूबसूरती, जैसे मैंने कहा कि आई थिंक इनर ब्यूटी ज़्यादा मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो किस किस्म की लड़की है, किस किस्म की बातें करती है, क्या थॉट्स हैं. हाँ, क्यों फर्स्ट में पता आ जाता है इंस्टिंक्ट करके. वो क्या होता है इंस्टिंक्ट? किस चीज़ से मैं अट्रैक्ट होता हूँ? मुझे लड़कियों के बाल बहुत पसंद है. आई थिंक जिन लड़कियों के खुले बाल अगर अट्रैक्ट. फैशन आई थिंक जो चीज़ आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे, आपको पता होना चाहिए आपकी बॉडी टाइप कैसी है, जो आपको कूल लगे. हर किसी का एक इंडिविजुअल थॉट होना चाहिए. सो या आई थिंक सिंपल एंड इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक, आई थिंक यूनिक. हाँ, यार मैंने क्रिकेट, जैसे मैं बोलूँ, मैं क्रिकेट अभी फॉलो नहीं कर रहा. मैं आजकल शूटिंग कर रहा था, तो मैंने क्रिकेट फॉलो नहीं किया. क्या क्या क्या? हाँ, किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर इट्स टीम एफर्ट. अगर फिल्म हिट होती है तो पूरी टीम का है, और फ्लॉप होती है तो फिर पूरा यूनानिमस एक टीम की है. अनसक्सेसफुल ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. आई थिंक अगर पिक्चर सक्सेसफुल है तो पूरी टीम है. कोई भी एक्टर नहीं बोलेगा कि उसकी पिक्चर सिर्फ उसी के वजह से चली है. वाओ, आई थिंक यू आर 3 years लेट. द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, अगर आपने 3 साल पहले पूछा होता तो अच्छा रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चन होता. वो उनसे पूछ लीजिए. मैं भूल गया उनका आंसर क्या था. हाँ क्या? हाँ, कौन? एजाज खान कौन है? ओ अच्छा, एक नंबर. हाँ, हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे. करे. अरे वो इंटरेस्टिंग. बेस्ट ऑफ लक पे यार. उसको लगे. हाँ, क्या बोला उन्होंने? हाँ. अरे वाह, उनको बोला एक विलन देख लो. हाँ, थैंक यू. दैट विल बी नेक्स्ट ईयर. अभी मैं ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ. गेनिंग सम वेट. बहुत मुश्किल हुई उनको मुझे ये फिट करने में कपड़े. थोड़ा मेरा साइज बढ़ गया अभी. नॉट परफेक्ट. आई एम बिकमिंग लिटिल बिट लाइक अ फाइटर, लाइक अ वॉरियर. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर आई एम गोना स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर दैट फिल्म वेरी सून, एंड विल हैव अ गुड फिल्म. For my looks, I think broad shoulders. I don't know. I think मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं देता. I don't feel कि ऐसा visually दिखना important है. I think the conversation that you make makes you beautiful or not beautiful. That's super. Thank you guys.
Okay. Well, I think a lot of people know I've had a baby, and it takes time when you're pregnant and the baby has to grow up, and then you have to jump on the wagon again. Yes. How does it feel? I feel pretty good, and I think it's sweet. I'm a middle-aged mom, and so it's extremely flattering to get it now. I'm wearing a DVF dress, and my mom got me this bag, so that's it. Thank you.
What is the beauty tip that you like to give to your viewers? Any beauty tip since you once had this beauty award?
I think after a certain age, beauty is as much about your spirit as it is about your bone structure. So if you're a good person, then it shows on your face. After 35, whatever you are, you get the face you deserve. So be a good person, you might look slightly better as you age.
Sorry? Thank you. I'm wearing a Sheila Khan. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Yes. It's been an amazing year, you know, and this really seals the deal for me. It's just so special to be recognized by a association like Vogue. Feels great. Beauty means simplicity, being able to live life the way you want to live it. Beauty is about being able to find beauty in everything around you and not just within you, you know. And to make sure that the kind of beauty that excites you is long lasting and does not depend on age. How does that feel? It feels great. It feels lovely. I think the love keeps pouring in. It's been releasing in countries one after the other. It's due to release in Japan now very soon. So it feels really lovely. Stay happy. I think there's nothing more beautiful than inner light and inner happiness, you know. It's really cliched, but it really is what works. I think if you're inertly satisfied and just want to be the best that you can be, that's what makes you beautiful. Thank you. मैं यहाँ तो किसी को नहीं ढूंढ रही हूँ. That's for sure. शादी की बात तो नहीं लिखी थी, but you know, it's just that I'm single and it's just that. That's all I said. It's nothing else. नहीं, ऐसा तो कोई नहीं सोचा है. वो तो टाइम ही बताएगा कहाँ से कौन सा दूल्हा मिलेगा. थैंक यू. Being a what? Being in Vogue. It's one of the best things that you can be in. There's nothing better than being in Vogue. Thank you.
I think Vogue just says it all, yeah. I mean, you need to be in fashion, you need to be in Vogue, you need to be in style, and that's what Vogue is all about. And I think one thing I like about the magazine, and one thing I like about the fact that they stick to everything that's out of the box, and every time they try and come up with something new or the other, and absolutely love it. And I think Anaita is superb at her job, and she has an awesome team supporting her. Well, I would say keep it simple and don't, like complicate things. I think we generally do that. We try to complicate a lot of things and try to, put in a lot of things together in order to look a certain way. But I think simplicity is the best, and yeah, so that's what I follow. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Quick media bites, please. Quickly. We'll do it quickly.
Thank you. I am wearing, okay, let me think. Hold on. Yes, it's an outfit by Shaila Khan. Can I comment on it? Well, I hope this year will be better than last year. And I had a great time last year. And so, let's see what we have in store. मेरे लिए खूबसूरती क्या है? मेरे हिसाब से खूबसूरती कुछ भी हो सकती है. एक औरत को एक अच्छी स्माइल खूबसूरती है, एक अच्छा दिल खूबसूरती है, अच्छी आंखें खूबसूरती है. मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो अंदर का जो चेहरा होता है वो जब बाहर आता है तो वो खूबसूरती होती है. I hope next year. Cross your fingers. Thank you.
Just 1 second.
Yeah, it was beyond that.
Thank you so much. I think in one word, beauty means confidence to me. When you're enjoying the moment and when you feel comfortable, there's a kind of glow that you radiate, and that's beauty. I think coming from a Miss India background, you're a part of Vogue. It's a very good collaboration because you feel like you kind of belong to this fraternity, and I feel really welcomed. Actually, this is my first time here, and to any 21-year-old, I think this is quite exciting. I'm really having a rush right now.
From the Miss India background to Vogue video, how would you describe your journey?
It's been a roller coaster actually, of emotions, of encounters, a lot of things. But I definitely have seen that I've grown as a person, and that's what matters the most.
Thank you. मैडम अगर आपको डर ना लगे हम लोगों से तो फोटो निकाले को इधर देखो आपको डर नहीं था हम फोटोग्राफरों से ना आपने कहा नहीं कि मीडिया फोटोग्राफरों से डर लगता है
मुझे डर क्यों लगेगा आप लोगों से?
आपने कहा था ना
मैंने कहा
कि मीडिया से डर लगता है हमसे डर लगता है इसलिए हम लोग पूछ रहे तुम्हें डर लगता है हम फोटो निकाले या ना निकाले
अच्छा आप लोग बहुत शौक मैं बात कर सकती हूँ बेटा तो बहुत खफा है मुझे आपसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बस कई बार ये होता है जब सिक्योरिटी गार्ड नहीं होते तो फोटोग्राफर्स कई बार एक्टर्स पर आ जाते हैं वो ज़रूरी नहीं है पर्सनली मुंबई के फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए कह रहे हैं जब हम छोटे शहरों में जाते हैं तो कई बार हुआ है कि फोटोग्राफर्स लिटरली हम पे आके गिरे हैं इस बात में कोई मुझे न झूठ कहने की ज़रूरत है और ना ही मैं बातें बता रही हूँ तो ऐसा कई बार हो जाता है हम मुंबई के फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए भी कह रहे लेकिन ऐसा मेरे साथ कई बार हुआ है कई फुटेज आप
हम लोग बोले पहले पूछ लेते भाई अगर मैडम को डर लग रहा हो तो
मुझसे डर लगेगा
मैम थोड़ा आगे
राइट में डालोगे राइट में डालोगे जरा सा मैम इस तरफ डालो जाता है करना मैम राइट में डालो सेंटर इधर देखें इधर हम लोग
मैडम यहाँ पे राइट में यहाँ पर ये राइट में
मैम इधर देखें मैम
अरे तुझ्याकडे बघते करता काम करेंगे राइट आप हाँ जी आपके राइट में मैडम आपके राइट में थैंक यू
Thank you.
Who are you wearing today?
Namrata Joshipura, right? Actually क्या होता है कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं ना इतने डिजाइनर्स के and the worst thing is कि आप किसी और का नाम बोल दो किसी और की आउटफिट पे they get so offended and which is not right also. So I am wearing Namrata Joshipura today. Namrata Joshipura today. Yeah.
Also been awarded Beauty of the Year.
Yes.
It feels good. I think everyone has their own perception and definition of beauty. Yeah. So I think women who are for me like a pleasant looking woman who has a very genuine smile and who has really kind eyes is so much more appealing. She's really like truly beautiful, as opposed to a really like hot babe who's like got blonde hair and like dumb smile. ऐसे आप अभी फोटो मत खींचे प्लीज, मैं उधर आ जाऊंगी, है ना, बात करते फोटो मत खींचे। 2014 आपके लिए बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल ईयर था, 13-14 के हम मिला के बात राइट आपके लिए बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल ईयर था, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? डेफिनेटली आई थिंक 14 स्पेशली लाइक क्रिश एंड क्वीन दोनों ही काफ़ी लैंडमार्क फिल्म्स रही हैं मेरे करियर में। इतना ज़्यादा सफलता मुझे कभी इससे पहले मिल नहीं पाई पिछले 7-8 सालों में। तो ये कह सकते हैं कि 2014 स्पेशली हैज़ बीन वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी। और आप बीच में ऐसी न्यूज़ आई थी कि आप बाहर गई थी, कुछ कोर्स कंप्लीट कर रही हैं और आप ब्रेक ली हैं जी। आई थिंक यार तो इतनी सारी फिल्में जो मैंने की हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे सफलता मिली है, तो थोड़ा सा मैंने ब्रेक लिया और मैंने स्क्रीन राइटिंग कोर्स किया न्यूयॉर्क में, और वो एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा। उसके साथ में अभी मैंने थोड़ा टाइम ऑफ लिया है, लेकिन मेरी 3-4 फिल्में अब एक साथ शुरू होंगी, एक साथ एज इन एक के बाद एक शुरू होंगी। तो इस तरह मैंने प्लान किया है कि मैं सब कुछ एक साथ में ना करूँ। Being in what? Being in Vogue. Work. Yeah, Vogue. 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 हर एक आई थिंक Vogue is a very stylish magazine और इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है एक। तो अगर आप इंडिया से है, जैसे जब मेरे क्लासमेट्स ने न्यूयॉर्क में, उनको पता है कि एक्ट्रेस है ये वो, लेकिन जब उन्होंने मेरा Vogue कवर देखा तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हो गए, क्योंकि Vogue एक इंटरनेशनल नेम है, एक ब्रांड है। तो इससे एसोसिएट होना अपने आप में एक बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही प्रिविलेज्ड, प्रेस्टिजियस बात है।
संज्ञा, अगर हम बात करें आजकल सेलिब्रिटीज़ को काफ़ी संभाल कर बोलना होता है। सलमान ने रिसेंटली फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, क्या आपको नहीं लगता सेलिब्रिटीज़ को भी थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए अपने स्टेटमेंट? बिल्कुल होना चाहिए आई थिंक, तभी मैं इतना रुक के करके बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि पता नहीं कौन सी बात किसको बुरी लग जाए। और ये अच्छा है कि सबकी भावनाओं का ख्याल रखा जाए और कोई क्यों किसी अपनी लिमिट पार करे। और अगर आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं भी या आप नहीं भी हैं, तब भी आम जिंदगी में भी कोई किसी की भावनाओं को क्यों ठेस पहुंचाए। ओके, ब्यूटी टिप, हेल्दी खाना खाइए, उसी से ब्यूटी तो असली वही है, मेकअप लगा के या उससे तो ब्यूटी है नहीं सिर्फ, राइट? कुछ और फोटोज लेंगे, ठीक है।
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Excuse me, don't take pictures.
आपके राइट में
I'm wearing what I like to wear, pants. I'm wearing ASOS pants, Chanel bag and Kurt Geiger shoes.
आई थिंक यार तो इतनी सारी फिल्में जो मैंने की हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे अब सफलता मिली है, तो थोड़ा सा मैंने ब्रेक लिया और मैंने स्क्रीन राइटिंग कोर्स किया न्यूयॉर्क में, और वो एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा। उसके साथ में अभी मैंने थोड़ा टाइम ऑफ लिया है, लेकिन मेरी 3-4 फिल्में अब एक साथ शुरू होंगी, एक साथ एज इन एक के बाद एक शुरू होंगी। तो इस तरह मैंने प्लान किया है कि मैं सब कुछ एक साथ में ना करूँ।
What's it like being in Vogue? What's it like?
Being in what?
Being in Vogue.
Work.
Yeah, Vogue.
Vogue. Vogue. हर एक आई थिंक Vogue is a very stylish magazine और इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है एक। तो अगर आप इंडिया से है, जैसे जब मेरे क्लासमेट्स ने न्यूयॉर्क में, उनको पता है कि एक्ट्रेस है ये वो, लेकिन जब उन्होंने मेरा Vogue कवर देखा तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हो गए, क्योंकि Vogue एक इंटरनेशनल नेम है, एक ब्रांड है। तो इससे एसोसिएट होना अपने आप में एक बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही प्रिविलेज्ड, प्रेस्टिजियस बात है।
संज्ञा, अगर हम बात करें आजकल सेलिब्रिटीज़ को काफ़ी संभाल कर बोलना होता है। सलमान ने रिसेंटली फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, क्या आपको नहीं लगता सेलिब्रिटीज़ को भी थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए अपने स्टेटमेंट? बिल्कुल
होना चाहिए। आई थिंक तभी मैं इतना रुक के करके बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि पता नहीं कौन सी बात किसको बुरी लग जाए, और ये अच्छा है कि सबकी भावनाओं का ख्याल रखा जाए और कोई क्यों किसी अपनी लिमिट पार करे। और अगर आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं भी या आप नहीं भी हैं, तब भी आम जिंदगी में भी कोई किसी की भावनाओं को क्यों ठेस पहुंचाए। ओके, ब्यूटी टिप, हेल्दी खाना खाइए, उसी से ब्यूटी तो असली वही है, मेकअप लगा के या उससे तो ब्यूटी है नहीं सिर्फ, राइट? कुछ और फोटोज लेंगे, ठीक है।
Thank you.
Excuse me, don't take pictures.
आपके राइट में
I'm wearing what I like to wear, pants. I'm wearing ASOS pants, Chanel bag and Kurt Geiger shoes. It's the best. There isn't anything better than being in Vogue. खूबसूरती की परिभाषा है कि you should be comfortable being who you are, and you should be, I think, giving joy to other people. That kind of person always looks beautiful. On the red carpet or on the ramp. I guess wear clothes that fit you and suit you. Don't try and be anybody else, because that doesn't really work. And have a lot of confidence. Even if you're going wrong, they'll think it's the latest fashion. Yes. एक्टर को तो नहीं करना चाहिए।
हमेशा होता है कि अगर फिल्म हिट होती है तो एक्टर को पूरे क्रेडिट दिए जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर फ्लॉप होती है तो डायरेक्टर के ऊपर पूरा ब्लेम डाल दिया जाता है। इस पर आप क्या कहते हैं?
Sure, जो ब्लेम लेने को रेडी हो वो ब्लेम ले ले. We are not ready to take the blame, so no film flops because of the actors. Thanks.
कैमरा कवर का पोज
cover
I don't really know. I thought it was a beautiful concept. Atul was right here, and I thought it was executed really, really well. I think what's important is that you take the idea behind it, the ethos behind it, and it applies to women all over the world, really. What kind of beauty tips? I think whenever you leave the house, just leave with a beautiful smile. I think if your smile reaches your eyes, it just makes you look pretty.
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा क्या है?
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा ये है कि आई थिंक आप अगर खुद में विश्वास रखती हैं, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन इज ब्यूटीफुल इफ यू जस्ट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ.
There have been many actors coming from Pakistan, like Fawad Khan and Humayma Malik. Since there has been a diff between amongst the Pakistani about the Pakistani singers, what do you think is the future?
I am not Pakistani.
No.
Okay, no, I'm just to clarify, yeah.
General question.
Yes, just a general question, yes.
Yeah. What is the future of Pakistani actors in Bollywood?
Wow, I don't really know, yeah. I wish we knew answers to this situation, but I think, peace is very important. I think no matter where you're from, I think... yeah, you got that. Sorry, I just... No, I think peace is very important. I think no matter what part of the world you live in, I think every citizen, every human being has a right to grow up, to live in an environment which is peaceful and which allows for freedom. So that's my answer to it.
Small request, CNN Event channel is doing a movement on Independence Day, Clean Up India. So can you just look at the camera and say it in your words? For Independence Day, you have to clean the filth. Join us to clean the filth for Clean Up India.
So this Independence Day, help us join this movement, clean the filth. Yeah, all right, thank you.
अगर कोई फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है तो आपको लगता है कि किसे ब्लेम करना चाहिए?
खुद को ब्लेम करना चाहिए.
No, बट ऐसा होता है कि जब फिल्म हिट होती है, फिल्म अगर हिट होती है तो एक्टर पूरा क्रेडिट लेकर जाता है, बट अगर फ्लॉप होती है तो डायरेक्टर को ब्लेम किया जाता है.
बट पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, फिल्म मतलब इट्स सच अ बिग टीम वर्क. आई थिंक अगर हिट हो या फ्लॉप हो, आई थिंक पूरा क्रेडिट सबको ही जाता है. बट आई वुड होप दैट सारी फिल्में अच्छा करें, बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत जाती है फिल्मों को बनाने में. सो whoever is part of it, I think everybody best of luck. One fashion statement I personally believe in: when in doubt, wear black. Thanks.
Can you take Can you take one with my phone? Mommy, come back. Mommy, come back. We got up early so we can do this nonsense. Come.
Lisa, left one.
I know I came so early. I like just posed for half an hour. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi. I know it sounds cliched, but inner radiance. I think it's sort of just being happy and waking up in the morning with a smile, exercising, being naturally beautiful and radiant, healthy hair, healthy nails, healthy teeth, healthy family, healthy relationships, all of that. Thank you. I'm wearing Demi by Gabriella. She's my best friend, and she, I actually was supposed to come for a fitting yesterday with the Vogue, and I didn't get the chance to, so I just wore one of her dresses. Is that what I've won? It feels amazing. It really, really feels amazing. And this year has been unbelievable. I have to save my acceptance speech for when I go inside. But I think the fact that it's called a breakthrough feels really flattering, because Queen has felt like that. It's felt like a breakthrough finally. So it just feels like a lot of patience has been rewarded.
You're on the Vogue red carpet, how does it feel, when you're on the red carpet?
I love being on, so we're talking with the cameras near there. I love being on the Vogue red carpet. I think it's probably one of the most stylish red carpets in the world. I always look out for what everyone's wearing tonight, and for whoever's going to be here, and it's just elegant and stylish and graceful most of all. I think that grace is the one thing that sets Vogue apart from everything else.
What are your forthcoming projects like?
I've got a film called Shawkeen that's releasing in November. I just finished shooting for it. We shot for about a month and a half, and I just got back last week, and now I'm heading on a holiday. With my award, I'm catching a flight. In which film? My physique in Shawkeen. What has been said about it? I haven't read the papers. Is that what it said? Oh, okay. I don't know about that because I think that I've weighed the same for about the last 10 years. So I do make an effort to keep fit for all my films or just for life in general. But I'm glad that they're saying things about my physique. If it gives me more street cred, yes, I did work hard for this film.
Okay, one more question. It is off the event. Who do you think should be responsible if a film is flopped, according to you?
I don't know if there's any one particular person you can hold responsible for that, because if there was a formula to success in making films, then every film would be a hit. I think it's a collaborative effort, and I think there's a lot of it has to do with chemistry, how much fun everyone's having on set. And I guess the storyline, it's everyone, it's a collaborative effort, it's no one's particular fault, I don't think.
But many times it happens that the director is blamed for the film to be flopped. So what is your take on it?
I mean, the director is the man he's the captain of the ship, so ultimately he is the person that is answerable to everyone at the end of the day. But I mean, if someone gives a bad performance, the director doesn't step in and take responsibility for that. So then, you know, it's not everything is the director's fault and not everything is an actor's fault. I mean, you know, everyone has to pull their own weight. That's a very politically interesting question. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. What? Another one? No, there's more. There's another person right here. You didn't get a good one?